to begin with, this option is available for both Android and desktop versions. So on the left hand side, you're going to scroll and you select the option of help. So if you're using a smartphone, you're going to open your Chrome browser and then you go to settings and you select desktop version, and then you go to the side which says help. So when you click on help on the right hand side, you're going to type what I'm going to show you: non-profit program overview, YouTube non-profit overview. So this allows anyone who is not monetized to get in touch with the YouTube team. So then you scroll down and you'll see dedicate technical support. So you're going to click there, and then you'll see the option of get in touch with us. So if you don't see this option, you have to refresh your browser. So you click get in touch with us. So still from there, you're going to scroll down and then you select contact us. Now after that, it's going to bring a form that you're going to fill out, and in this form you're going to fill in your name, then the channel URL. So for ease, you're just going to paste your URLs in maybe Word document so that you can be able to copy them one by one. So for example, I had to paste all the deleted YouTube links in my Word document. Even my channel URL, I had to put it there, such that each time when they ask for a URL, you just go and copy and paste. Then now for YouTube partner username, you're going to put your channel name. We shall come back to a non-profit registration number. So you put the channel name and then your YouTube email address. That one by default, it will always be there, so you do not have to look for it. So then here under the videos, you're going to copy only the last 11 characters of the video link. Only the last 11 characters. So after copying, it's what you're going to paste. It's what you're going to paste here. So you're going to paste those 11 characters that you copied. Then now down where it says short summary of the issue. So here you're going to describe the recovery request for your deleted video. And then here now you'll be able to include the full URL of the video. So you can copy exactly what I'm typing. Hello team, I accidentally deleted the above video and would like you to help me retrieve it. Then you go back and copy the full link. So you're going to copy the full link of the video and then you paste. So now after pasting, actually it can work for very many links, even if you have 4 links, but the difference will come in the other 11 character option. So there is a part we skipped. So here you unhighlight. So here you just include no registration number, and then you submit. So after submitting, that email will be sent, and one of the partners in the YouTube team will get back to you in an email. So this is how the reply will be. So from there now, you're going to just copy and paste from the link to the specific video. So you're going to copy all that section up to down, up to the date, so that you'll be able to now reply for them to retrieve the video. So from that link option up to the date, you're going to copy and then you paste in the reply option. So just going to paste, and then now you fill in those gaps. Where there is URL, you put the URL of the video that you send for recovery. So just going to copy the link, and then you come and paste. So now please satisfy. You're just going to leave the yes option. You can remove the other characters, mark and those quotes. Even in the third line, please certify. You're going to leave the option of yes. And then from there, now down, you're going to include your name and the date, that very date of filling in that email, and then you click send. So from there, in about 24 hours, they will get back to you and your deleted YouTube video will be recovered. So this is how the email will look like. So they will send a confirmation of recovery plus even the links of the videos that were recovered. So I hope this helps you. In case it does, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that each time when I make a new video, you'll always be among the first to watch. So don't forget to share to your colleagues so that this can be of help to them too.